In front of me is Sony Xperia 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can manage app permissions on this Sony. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on privacy section. In it, tap on app permissions and select one of your device's features, like photos and videos. After that, you need to select one of your apps, in my case Chrome, and tap on the best option for you, allow or don't allow. I will go with allow, so now when I go back, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to my photos and videos. But you can always go back, select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go with Settings or Google. Then click on See All Google Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!